gets warm with that damn sunlight coming through here. Ah, crap. I forgot I need 2 posts there and 2 posts down there. If you guys are new to the channel and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, ring my bell, get my notifications, throw me a thumbs up, and leave a question or comment below so that way I know who you are. So we're going to drop off a couple of posts there, a couple of posts there, and then we'll start augering and tamping. Augering and tamping. Wah-wah. Call them mayflies, I don't know, it's about that time of the year for them. They suck. I hate them things. They get under between your glasses and your eyeball, and my God, drive you nuts. And I'm right on the freaking brink anyway. Like I said, we're gonna do what we can with what we got for the moment. Then we're gonna kind of reassess our material situation, figure out what we need to get, what we need to invest in, and all that stuff. And then we'll go from there, because this is using a huge amount of materials. So we cleared back to the barbed wire, to the fence line. It's warm out today. You can see these clusters of tag out there. We buzzed them off. Made sure I got enough room to back the tractor in, and we're going to get a post in right in there. We're staying away from the old brace because we can replace it with a new brace, and then we'll take that one out when we redo the line fence. So, if that makes sense. We got a nice little pile of brush there. Most of that's going to end up going through the wood chipper, because we need it to put in inside of Katie's greenhouse here shortly. And I'll probably have to go down a good portion of this line anyway, just to get enough to put in the greenhouse. So by the time you run that through the chipper, it doesn't amount to a lot. That right there will probably maybe fill the bucket on the tractor. Maybe. I don't even count on that, but gonna need probably 6-8 bucket loads. But it'll clear out a lot of fence line. It solves 2 issues one time. And it might not be cheaper than buying mulch, but I get the fence line cleared at the same time, so it's kind of a win-win. All right, since we're already out here and I got the pallet forks on the tractor, let's figure out what that is, I guess. And you can see how far away from the farm we are, how far away from everything we are, so I don't know if I blow up. Let's give her. No stopping now, right? Well, it goes to black ABS. Guess we may as well see where the other end goes. I don't know what the hell this is either. Oh, hang on. Are you bored with it? Jesus, good Lord, what the hell happened there? I don't know what this is either. Oh, Christ. Maybe I should have just left it alone, huh? There's that 30-40 foot piece of pipe that I have no idea why the hell it's buried in the middle of the pasture. And it must have went pretty damn deep into that hillside too, I have no idea. But, good chance to look at your soil aggregate. That's not terrible. That's not too bad actually. I think John would be impressed. Look at your root structure in there. How deep that's going. That's pretty darn good actually. So, at least shows I got something to work with. It's rougher than a cob, but we got some soil to work with and we can pick the rock out of it. It's not that schmancy black dirt like John has down there, but it might work. It might work. I gotta fix my freaking mess here. Why did I do that? Right where the fence is gonna go too. Whatever. Alright, we unleashed the mystery. Time to get back to drilling fence posts in, huh? course, in classic form, the last hole that I drill here is gonna hit a big old rock and go all kittywampus on me. You can see where I hit that rock and that auger took off that way. We'll see if we can slam the post in there. Hopefully we got enough leeway to make it work. We'll find out here shortly. So that post is just slightly out of line with the rest of them, but because of where that rock is and how much that auger was skipping off of it, I'm going to leave it like that, because if I try to come in and go down further, I might hit that same rock again. And then pretty soon I got a big old hole that I got to pack in with dirt. It just makes a mess. Not only that, but I can't, you pretty much have to go 2 auger widths away to be able to auger another hole. Otherwise it'll migrate to the hole that you just drilled, and then you'll end up with a big tapered funnel, and the post wants to go back in the same spot. So we'll deal with it. The tamper that I built out of that pin from the skidder and the bar from a New Holland round baler, 851. Have one for sale if anybody wants one, by the way. All right, I got 6 posts in. Now, like I said, spinning around here, these gate pegs got to come up, and you'll notice that this gate can swing in, that gate can swing in, and I can touch them. I can chain them together, and I can bring them from this pasture to this pasture that I'm in, or I have a lot of options here for switching things. Something you got to pay attention to when you're putting in gates. Just gives you a little bit more flexibility if I can bring those in and touch them. And I can shoot them from that pasture to that pasture, or any combination of the 3, depending on how the pastures are growing. Just because we have it set up in a square and 2 on the other side of the property, so we'd have 6, doesn't mean that you're just going to rotate in that same order every time. Maybe one needs a little bit of more of a break, so you skip that one. So that's kind of what I'm going for here. So I got 6 more to put in, and then I got some other stuff to do around the farm yet today. I certainly hope everyone's having a great day. If you haven't subscribed, please take a moment to do so. Hit that like button. Ring my bell, get my notifications. Stop by on a Wednesday night live stream, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Central. I gotta go. We'll see you guys again next time.